Hey there, guys. If you're constantly on the move and looking for a reliable and high-quality wireless earbud solution, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the original A6S TWS Wireless Bluetooth Headset 5.0 Earphone Sport Earbuds Headset with mic. Let me tell you, this is a game changer in the world of wireless audio. First off, let's talk about the design and comfort of these earbuds. They're sleek, modern, and fit perfectly in your ears, making them ideal for all kinds of activities, whether it's working out at the gym or running errands around town. And with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, you can say goodbye to any connectivity issues and hello to a seamless and uninterrupted listening experience. But the best part? The sound quality. The original A6S TWS earbuds deliver crisp, clear, and powerful sound that will totally elevate your music, podcasts, and phone calls. And with the added bonus of a built-in microphone, you can easily take calls and stay connected without ever missing a beat. And here's the kicker, all of this amazing technology comes at an incredibly affordable price. So if you're ready to take your audio game to the next level, I highly recommend clicking the link in the description to get your hands on the original A6S TWS Wireless Bluetooth Headset 5.0 Earphone Sport Earbuds Headset with mic. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Don't miss out, grab yours today and thank me later.